Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti in questo nuovo video. Today we're going to be talking about the 15 most important irregular verbs you need to know in Presente Indicativo. If you haven't watched the video about how to think in Italian and when to use Presente Indicativo, you can click here. Great, in this video you're going to see two conversations and we're going to translate them and see 7 of these 15 verbs. In the next video you're going to see the remaining 8. Let's begin. Siete di qui? No, siamo di Roma, ma abitiamo qui a Venezia. Ah, Roma è una città bellissima. Cosa fate qui a Venezia? Io lavoro in un supermercato. E tu che lavoro fai? Io sono fotografo. Tu invece dove lavori? Faccio il barista in piazza San Marco. Quanti anni avete? Abbiamo 22 anni. Siete giovani. Anche tu sei giovane. Quanti anni hai? Ho 27 anni. Okay, so in this dialogue we have many verbs, but we are going to focus only on 3 irregular verbs. Essere, avere, and fare. So to be, to have, and to do or to make. So let's begin with the first sentence. Siete di qui? Are you from here? So here we have the verb essere. You all. Voi siete. Second sentence. No, siamo di Roma, ma abitiamo qui a Venezia. No, we are from Rome, but we live here in Venice. Again, essere, siamo di Roma. We are from Rome. Then, Roma è una città bellissima. Rome is a beautiful city. Again, essere, è, is. Cosa fate qui a Venezia? What do you do? What both of you. Fate is you all. And it's the verb fare. So what do you do here in Venice? Io lavoro in un supermercato. I work in a supermarket. So this is regular, lavoro. E tu che lavoro fai? And you? What job do you do? Fai. Again, fare. You do. Tu fai. Io sono fotografo. I'm a photographer. Sono. I am. Tu invece dove lavori? So this construction, you wouldn't use this in English. It means you instead. Where do you work? I don't know if you would use it like this. In Italian you can say this. Faccio il barista in piazza San Marco. I am a barista in piazza San Marco, in San Marco Square in Venice. So as you can see, with the job you can use the verb fare. Faccio il barista. Or you can also use essere. Sono fotografo. Then, quanti anni avete? How old are you? Both of you. Voi avete. Remember that in Italian we say quanti anni hai. How many years do you have? If you translate it literally. I know it doesn't make sense in English, but that's how it works in Italian. Abbiamo 22 anni. We are 22. Okay, we have 22 years if you translate it literally. So abbiamo, noi abbiamo, we have. Siete giovani. So you are young. Both of you. Again, siete, we've already seen this one. Anche tu sei giovane. So you are also young. Tu sei, the verb to be. Quanti anni hai? So how old are you? In this case, you have. Ho 27 anni. I'm 27 years old. Again, avere. Ho 27 anni. Okay, some conjugations are missing, so I'm gonna add them now. So let's see, the verb essere, first person singular and plural, sono, siamo. Second person singular and plural, sei, siete. Third person singular and plural, è, sono. So this is the only verb where io and loro have the same conjugation. Okay, second verb, avere. So again, first person singular and plural, ho, abbiamo. Second person singular and plural, hai, avete. Third person singular and plural, ha, abbiamo. Last one, fare, to do or to make. Again, first person, singular and plural. faccio, facciamo. Second person. Fai, fate. Third person. Fa, fanno. Ok, let's see the second dialogue. Dove vai? Vado al centro commerciale. Devo comprare una camicia. Vuoi venire con me? Certo, vengo volentieri. Devi comprare solo una camicia? Sì, perché? Perché io devo comprare il cibo per il mio cane. Ti dispiace se viene anche Buddy? Non c'è problema. Dove andate, ragazzi? Al centro commerciale. Aspettate, voglio venire anch'io. E forse anche Rosa vuole venire. Deve comprare un libro. Okay, let's translate this dialogue as well. In this one we're going to focus on 4 verbs. Andare, to go, volere, to want, venire, to come, and dovere, which can be have to, must, or sometimes it can also be need to. I need to do something. Devo fare qualcosa. Okay, let's begin. Dove vai? Where are you going? It literally would be where do you go? So we have vai, you go. Dove vai? Vado al centro commerciale. I'm going to the shopping center. Or just I go to the shopping center, literally. So vado, io vado, I go. Devo comprare una camicia. I need to buy a shirt. So here we have the verb dovere. So in this case I would say I need to buy a shirt. Devo, io devo. Vuoi venire con me? You wanna come with me? So vuoi, you want. Volere. Then, certo, vengo volentieri. Sure, I'm happy to come. So we have the verb venire again. The subject is io, so io vengo. Volentieri means I'm happy to. So you can say vengo volentieri, I'm happy to come. Another example could be bevo volentieri una birra. I'm happy to drink a beer. Mangio volentieri una pizza. I'm happy to eat a pizza. So you always put the verb first and then volentieri. Then let's go on. Devi comprare solo una camicia? You need to buy a shirt only? So here we have devi. You need to. You have to or you must. Sì, perché? Yes, why? Perché io devo comprare il cibo per il mio cane. Because I need to buy food for my dog. So devo, I have to or I need to. Ti dispiace se viene anche Buddy? Do you mind if Buddy is coming as well? So we have viene, he or she or it comes. Non c'è problema. No problem. Dove andate, ragazzi? Where are you going, guys? Or where do you all go, guys? So voi andate, you all go. Al centro commerciale. To the shopping center. Aspettate, voglio venire anch'io. Wait, I want to come as well. So voglio, I want. Venire, to come, as well. E forse anche Rosa vuole venire. And maybe also Rosa wants to come. So we have lui, lei, in this case lei, because Rosa is a woman. Lei vuole venire, she wants to come. Deve comprare un libro. She needs to buy a book. Quindi lei deve, he or she needs to, has to or must. Okay, so let's complete these 4 tables. So for andare, first person singular and plural, vado, andiamo. Second person singular and plural, vai, andate. Third person singular and plural again, va, vanno. Let's see, volere. Voglio, vogliamo. Vuoi, volete. Vuole, vogliono. Then, venire, vengo, veniamo. Vieni, venite. Viene, vengono. Last one, dovere, devo, dobbiamo. Devi, dovete. Deve, devono. Okay guys, I really hope you liked this video. If so, please leave a like. If you want to practice these 7 verbs you've just seen, just click on the link you can find in the description, which will take you to my website where you have plenty of exercise to practice Presente Indicativo and many more. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do it right now and see you in the next video. Ciao ragazzi!
Italians.com.
Learn Italian online.